What's up guys, my name is Eduardo and today's video is a video tutorial on the Bent Arm Planche. Now if you don't know what the Bent Arm Planche is, it's a planche with your arms bent, right? So if you don't know what a planche is, that's very easy to describe too. It's a plank position with your legs hovering off of the floor. So imagine your shoulders and your feet make a straight line, but your hands are on the floor. And so you can think of this as a legless plank. Now that with your arms bent is a Bent Arm Planche. So for this video, you'll need a push-up. But if you don't know how to push up, I'll show you real quick in 3 steps. So, knee push-up, plank to knee push-up, push-up. And now you're ready for the Bent Arm Planche tutorial. And I learned those progressions from the GMB Fitness Integral Strength program. So if you don't have a push-up, check out that program. I'll put the link in the description. But onto the Bent Arm Planche, and here are some progressions to work up to that skill. Start by turning your fingers slightly out to the side and set up your push-up position. From here, you're going to descend into the bottom of the push-up, squeeze your stomach, squeeze your butt, and then use a surface or something that doesn't have a lot of friction like a frisbee or socks, and shift your weight forward and backward, making sure that your glutes are tight the entire time. The further you lean forward, the harder this movement will be. So the less you rock forward, the easier the movement will be. But the most important part is to keep the glutes engaged the entire time. Start this movement by turning your fingers slightly out to the side and setting up your plank position. From here, you're going to descend into the push-up position, but then in the bottom, lean as far forward as you can. Make sure to squeeze your abs and squeeze your glutes the entire time. Avoid arching in this position. You want to make sure that your shoulders are protracted at the top. And in the bottom, they're going to have to retract a little bit by squeezing. That's okay. Just focus on the core engagement, squeezing your stomach and squeezing your butt. And then from here, travel as far forward as you can. You can use socks on a carpet like I'm using and using the tops of my feet, or you could use a frisbee or a plastic bag, something that doesn't have a lot of friction. Start by turning your fingers slightly out to the side and set up your plank position. Round your upper back, squeeze your glutes, and then descend to the bottom of the push-up. Lean as far forward as you can, and what I want you to do is very lightly flutter your kicks up and down. You need a really far lean forward. Take a look at my hands to see where they're at. They're right by my waist. So you have to lean as far forward as you can so that your feet feel very light. From there, you'll be able to flutter a lot easier. If you only have your hands to your rib cage or to your chest, this movement will not be able to go. Then finish your set with a push-up coming back up. Start by turning your fingers slightly out to the side and set up your plank position, but now your legs are going to be nice and wide. From here, you're going to come down into your push-up position, lean as far forward as you can, and then you're going to lift your legs very lightly. Lean as far forward as you can. Take a look at my hands. They're right by my waist. That's going to allow you to feel a lot lighter when you lift the heels up. You'll have to lean even a little bit more forward as you lift your legs up using a little bit of leverage. So as you come down, lean forward and then lift your legs by squeezing your glutes. Lean forward, bend your arms, and then lean forward even more to feel light on your feet and lift them up by squeezing your glutes. Start nice and wide at first, and then when you're comfortable, slowly start to bring the feet together. They don't have to touch right away, but slowly and gradually bring them together. Then try this from the start. Have your feet already touching, and then pull apart if you need to make it easier, but pull them all the way in to make it harder. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this one. Until next time.